Hello and welcome to Dakota Prep's video tutorial on sizing equipment grounding conductors. So the biggest thing, the most important thing when it comes to anything to do with grounding and bonding is the terminology, right? There are three main tables when it comes to sizing, grounding, and bonding conductors, okay? The three tables are 250.66, 250.102C1, and 250.122. In this case, we have this question over here on the right that says, what is the minimum size copper equipment grounding conductor required to be installed for 300 amp feeder supplied with 350 kc mil copper conductors? Okay, so anytime we see this word equipment, right? Equipment. That is a buzzword there, right? That's a big clue. That's our focus. That means that we know that we're going to be in table 250.122. So let's bring up table 250.122 here. Now table 250.122 is based on the overcurrent protection that's protecting the ungrounded conductors. That the other two tables, 66 and 102C1, are based on the size of the conductors themselves. In this case, nope, based on the breaker or fuse that's in front of the overcurrent, the ungrounded conductors protecting them. So in this case, okay, we got our table here, 250.122. We know we have a 300 amp feeder circuit, so we had to assume our overcurrent protection, right? It's 300 amps. We cruise over here to the left and down our column where it says rating or setting of our overcurrent device to 300, and then over to our copper column, and it tells us, hey, you're going to need minimum number 4 there. So our green ink correct answer, 4 AWG copper conductors for this feeder, right? For the equipment grounding conductor, that is, for this feeder circuit.